Meet Julia, a sharp-minded tech consultant from the vibrant city of Seattle. At 34, her career was on the upswing, but her health was on a steep decline. She was battling relentless fatigue and unwelcome weight gain, despite her diligent efforts to stay healthy. Every morning felt heavier than the last, each step a reminder of her worsening condition. It was clear she needed a change, something revolutionary that could turn her health around. Determined to regain her vibrancy, Julia began searching for a solution that could rekindle her energy and reshape her life. In her quest for health, Julia stumbled upon the ketogenic diet through a chat with a visionary colleague. Intrigued and desperate for change, she dove into researching this high-fat, low-carb approach that promised rejuvenation. Armed with determination, she meticulously planned out her meals, saying a cautious but hopeful goodbye to sugars and starches. As days turned into weeks, Julia felt an unmistakable surge in her energy levels and a newfound sharpness in her thoughts. It was as though a fog had lifted, revealing a clearer path forward, both for her mind and her body. As Julia's journey deepened, so did the challenges. Social gatherings became battlefields of temptation, with every corner hosting a threat to her resolve. Yet, her will was ironclad, strengthened by her early successes. Side effects arose, minor skirmishes in her quest, but Julia's armor was her growing knowledge of keto-friendly foods and creative recipes. Mark, a steadfast friend and fellow keto enthusiast, became her ally, guiding her through rough patches with advice and moral support. Together, they experimented with flavors and textures, turning dietary limitations into culinary adventures, ensuring her lifestyle change was not just sustainable, but enjoyable. 6 transformative months later, Julia stood lighter, not just in weight but in spirit. Her journey through keto's rigorous demands sculpted a version of herself she barely recognized, vibrant, energetic, and radiantly healthy. Buoyed by her success, she stood before a curious crowd at a local health seminar, her story a testament to the power of dietary change. As she charted her journey's highs and lows, her words ignited a spark in the audience. She wasn't just sharing a diet, she was offering a beacon of hope for those adrift in their own health struggles.